So here we are on this one location, and we're gonna set up this access point. We're gonna set this up as a repeater. That's what we're gonna do. And it's a pretty good one actually. AC1200 TP-Link. And we have already installed one upstairs. Let me show you guys. I'm not gonna climb up there, dude. I'm just gonna zoom in. There's that. I don't know if you guys can see or not. So one has been done, and now we're gonna go to the next one, and we're gonna set up this bad boy right here. And I'm gonna show you how you guys can set this up. Pretty simple actually. And this device right here, it's the best one in terms of it, like how much it costs and how well it performs. It's the best one, really. Okay, so I have connected it to the socket, and you will find barcode on the back of this device. You gotta have to scan it, and your phone will connect automatically to it, so you can configure it. I'll show you now in a second. And just like that, this has been done. I'm gonna put this right up there on top of the cabinet, and this has been done as well. I'm gonna show you guys this time. Actually, not gonna just zoom in. And this has been done as well. Boom. And that's pretty much it, guys. Nice view, by the way. I like it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Yeah, goodbye. Peace. Got myself some treat though. Alright. See you guys. Bye-bye.